Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies and their impact on the evolution of money. All right, let's get started. Throughout history, the concept of money has gone through a fascinating evolution, starting from the days of bartering to the establishment of standardized currencies. But the world of money is undergoing a major shift towards digitalization, thanks to the rise of cryptocurrency. In today's modern era, the concept of money has expanded beyond traditional forms such as physical cash or precious metals like gold. Welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrency, where digital assets are revolutionizing the concept of value and transactions. In the exciting world of finance, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are leading the way. These digital currencies operate in a decentralized manner, free from the control of governments or banks. The rise of cryptocurrency represents a significant change in the financial world, offering exciting prospects for investors and consumers alike. Blockchain technology has played a significant role in driving this transformation. Blockchain technology revolutionizes transactions by making them faster, more secure, and incredibly transparent. In this ever-evolving world, cryptocurrency emerges as a trailblazer, providing a glimpse into the exciting possibilities that lie ahead in the realm of money. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrency not only challenges traditional monetary systems, but also opens doors to a plethora of innovative possibilities. In the vast landscape of the ever-changing world of money, cryptocurrency plays a crucial role, connecting traditional methods with future ambitions. From the basic bartering of goods to the cutting-edge world of cryptocurrency, the evolution of money continues to progress without pause. Thanks for checking out our video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content on finance and cryptocurrency.